ready for the big day.
Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender. So today I'm making some shower stars and I'm using this mold right here. And I have this in another video if you want to check that out. And I'm using Magic Lake Pearl, and I'll leave the link for this below. But this is what I'm going to add to this shower steamer. And I'm using the Moonchild fragrance that I made those bath bombs, those solar eclipse bath bombs, if you want to check that out. And I'll leave the link for that video in the description below. And then I'm using geranium, which is like a rose type scent, and so that pairs really nice with this. And the reason I'm pairing the rose geranium essential oil with it is it helps to amplify the scent, and it also is an essential oil. But it just brings out the other notes of the fragrance oil. And rose geranium is it's a little bit strong. So I used all this container, yay! So that's always good, because now I can buy some more. Alright, oh, that smells beautiful. I think that's going to be a really nice mixture. That smells good. Okay, I'm going to put my poly in there and my rubbing alcohol and then mix it with the wet. So it's like a blue-gray, and what I did is I added a little bit of my blue mica, and this is Azure Blue Mica, and it's from Wholesale Supplies Plus. So I added a little bit of this one in there. So it gives it a little bit of like a bluish gray type thing. Let's stir that up a little bit more. It smells wonderful. I also added a little bit of gardenia in there to give it a more of a floral scent. So this smells really nice. And that is a fragrance oil, the gardenia. So now I'm ready to add my citric acid. Let me do that. Then we'll be ready to mold it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just tear out my bowl here. This is my first time working with this mold, so hopefully it's not a problem. We shall see. So I have it at 220, which is fine because it'll have a little bit of shrinkage. So I am continuing, and I have to work quickly. You definitely have to work quickly with this one. So this is more advanced for sure if you're making shower steamers. And if you wanted to make something like this with this scent profile, I would use the Lotus. That is my recommendation. This is not bad, but the mixture has to be really, really wet, because it's going such, it takes time to make all this little teeny ones in between. So the longer it takes in between, just like making bath bombs. big mess. So when all else fails, that's why you keep these little molds like this around. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking this beautiful mixture. Isn't that a nice color? It's really nice. It's like a stormy blue color. And so I'm just going to fill these up. And these are little like, they're like little sunflower, which is nice for the theme of the Starry Nights. That's probably what I'll call it. I think these came out well though. I do like them. And so I'm going to continue pressing them and then I'll show you the final. Then over here, these are the stars and they turned out really nice and they smell beautiful. I can smell the geranium, a little bit of the jasmine. I have gardenia in there and so they smell really nice. And I'll package these up like my regular shower steamers. I'll probably put 2 to a pack for these right here. These are the little sunflower type and then I'll do 1. And these are each like 2 ounces. So I'm going to put a little bit of, and it smells beautiful, and I'm going to put a little bit of the Eco Glitter on top of it so it'll be nice and sparkly and it smells beautiful and be a nice different shower steamer to offer to my customers. So let's do this.